A life where nature, hills, river and sky converge now defines a new address. Step into the reserve by Kolte Patil. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video, we are revealing the teaser of the reserve, which is located near Siahgad Road, Nanded Phata, Pune. As you can see, I'm at the actual location and behind me is the internal road which connects you to the land parcels and the sales office of this project. और उसी के आगे आपको मिल जाती है नरवेल तानाजी मालुसरे रोड, जो लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है मुंबई बेंगलोर हाईवे और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है खड़कवासला. In this video, we will be discussing below points such as project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before diving into the project, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you do an inquiry, your numbers share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview. As you can see, I'm at the actual location and on my right hand side there is a sales office and the land parcel of this project. This project will be constructed on 21 acres of land parcel with the 22 towers, which includes ground plus 21 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I'm at the actual road and this project is located near Siahgad Road, Vadgaon Khurd, नांदेड़ फाटा पुणे. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है सियागढ़ स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल 1.5 किलोमीटर्स, मुंबई बेंगलोर हाईवे 2.7 kilometers and Siahgad University 3.6 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 20 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, jogging track, gym and many more. Are you planning to buy a new home? तो मेरा एक strong recommendation है, हाउसी के राइट्स ऑफ होम बाय सीरीज ज़रूर देखिए. बहुत से होम बायर्स को उनके राइट्स के बारे में पता नहीं होता, चाहे वो बिल्डर कैंसिलेशन डिडक्शन हो या कंस्ट्रक्शन और लीकेज रिलेटेड इशू. हमने सब कुछ सिंपल और इजी लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो होम बाय करने से पहले इस सीरीज को ज़रूर देखिए, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द कार्पेट एरिया ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. This project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, with the 2 BHK has 770 to 877 square feet and 3 BHK has 1149 square feet carpet area. Now let us discuss the booking process. Project token window is open now. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details with the help of the 3D model. They will share the payment and the pricing scheme. Also, they will be going to show the actual location. If the client likes the project, they can proceed with the token process. So everyone, this was a teaser of the reserve, which is located near Siahgad Road, Nanded Phata, Pune and developed by Kolte Patil Developers. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.